Okay, we're at our room right now, and we are at room 11201.
The deck's out here.
And it's a little cubby. I think there's only one other cabin next door. So it's very private. This is your card. You get 2 cards. You just slide it in. Okay. So we're going to...
Oh, look at this. This is beautiful.
Right, hold the door open for me.
Oh, yeah, but I gotta get the luggage in.
All right, so this is the ocean view.
Unbelievable.
Ocean view spa. Okay, you get a nice little seating area. You have your couch here, which is actually a sleeper sofa. And they give you 2 towels for the beach. And this is a nice little sitting area with a small TV. I think this TV is probably a lot smaller than the TVs that are in the regular room. This is a modified cabin, so it's like accessible. That's why it's got a lot of room. And here is the dresser area. You get your bottled water. If you are red, you will get water. You should get a free water. Here's your safe. So that's nice. And here is your little refrigerator. And the refrigerators are empty, so you can put your sodas and your drinks in there as well. They have a nice phone. They're giving you all of the information, things that you need to know when you're first getting on board the ship. You have some drawers here with your blow dryer. There's also a little stool and a big mirror here. So this is not a balcony cabin, but you do have, it's an ocean view, but you do have a pretty big window, so you're getting a lot of light in here if you like the light. And there's also a deck that you can go out and you can walk along the deck, or you can sit out there if you can find some chairs. So it's kind of like having a balcony, actually. The room is actually a pretty big room. You've got plenty of space. All right, so moving back, the beds, let's see. You have a little dresser here, and if you had this as a double bed, they would put these little dressers, one in the middle. This is for if you need emergency. Because this is a spa balcony, they actually give you slippers, so that's nice. And then here's your closet space, a nice closet space here. And they also have a mirror as well. They do give you robes. Nice robes here. Remember, this is because of the spa balcony. I don't think you get this in all of the rooms. And here's some more hangers and life jackets. I think, this is not probably a lot of hangers, so let me see. You have some, not too bad. So if you need more, you can probably bring your own. And this one is just like doesn't have any hangers. Okay, so let's move on to the bathroom. So this is definitely a more spacious bathroom. And you've got your counter. You have some glass shelves here, so you can bring your personal items and put them on your there's 4 glass shelves. Okay, there's a makeup mirror or shaving mirror. They give you some extra tissues. The soap they give you, I think this is an updated soap. They give you a bar of that. You can always ask for more if you need it. You know, of course, towels. And because this is accessible, this is the bathroom, the shower part. Lots of grab bars here. And your shower head is not a rain shower head, but it looks like it could be one of these ones that turn, yeah, like they have different settings on them. Where is, oh, here it is. And here is the soap and shampoo, no conditioner, okay, the shower seat, and of course grab bars, and this is for hanging your clothes. So if you have clothes, you need to hang them, you can use that. Okay, so this is a nice spacious bathroom. No lip to walk down, so that's good. You can just walk right out.